There's a saying that goes, you'll never learn anything by doing it right. And that's so true with 3D printing and model railroading. Okay, so just a quick update on the 3D printing. I've got a print started here, and nothing to do with model railroading, because you get these and you realize, oh, I can print normal stuff that costs a lot of money that I don't have to buy. Anyway, I wanted to show the parts that I printed with the wrong stuff, the wrong filament, and I printed with the PETG filament instead, and how they're working so much better. So let me grab the one as an example. Hold on. Okay, so this is the one that I printed with the flexible filament, and you can see it's supposed to be a wheel, and this is the Z-axis wheel, which is right here, right under the spool. That's the one that's printed with the right filament. This is the wrong filament, so it's all squishy. It would not have worked. So printing it with the right filament, it's now on the Z-axis pole, which I'll come around here, I can show you. So you can see there's a pole right here, or a big screw, and there's a little motor at the bottom. Not sure if you can see that here, just because of the angle. But while you're troubleshooting and working on this and cleaning it, it's difficult to turn that screw with your hand. So by printing this little knob in the right filament, I can now turn it. The other thing I printed was this guide and the little bracket that goes on the edge of the aluminum frame. So the guide just takes the filament off the spool and brings it out far enough so the filament doesn't have like a really harsh line coming down. And the other thing I printed, not sure if you can see it because it's in black, but it's another guide right here by the screw that kind of guides the filament so it doesn't hit the screw. So those are the objects that I printed first, and that's what you do. You modify these things to make them work the way you want them. And that's kind of the game that we're playing. So I got this print started finally. This one's doing pretty well. It's got a good raft down, and it's looking pretty good. I still have not gotten the Raspberry Pi set up for Octoprint. That'll help me monitor prints remotely. Right now the printer's still in my garage, and I'm going to try and get this print mostly done before the heat and humidity comes in today. I think we'll do just fine. Thanks guys. See you at the next stop.